Today, we're tackling one of physics' most mind-bending ideas, time dilation. Our story starts, believe it or not, on a tram car in Switzerland, way back in 1905. A young Albert Einstein lets his mind wander, and it leads to a thought that changes everything. He asked himself a simple question: what if you raced away from a clock at light speed? His realization was just, whoa, the clock's hands would appear to completely freeze.
But back at the tower, time just keeps ticking. For him, time itself had actually slowed down.
And this wasn't just some daydream. It was the key to a huge puzzle in physics. See, Newton said speed is relative, but Maxwell proved the speed of light is always constant.
So how can both of those things be true? They seem to totally contradict each other, right?
So Einstein imagined another scenario. Picture this. You're standing on a train platform. From your view, two lightning strikes are simultaneous. For someone on a speeding train, nope. So what gives? Well, Einstein's solution was brilliant. He didn't mess with the speed of light. Instead, he realized something else had to bend to make the math work for everyone. And that something was time itself. He called this strange effect time dilation. So time isn't like a rigid ruler. It's more like a rubber band. It can stretch and shrink. This new, flexible idea of time led to something even bigger. Space and time are connected. He wove them together into a single four-dimensional fabric he called space-time. Think of it like a trampoline. Heavy objects don't pull things, they just bend the fabric. And get this, that bend in space-time doesn't just affect space, it affects time too. The deeper the curve from gravity, the faster you're actually accelerating through space. And here's the golden rule. The faster you go through space, the slower you move through time. You've actually seen this. Think about the movie Interstellar. That planet's crazy gravity made time crawl. Here on Earth, the effect is super tiny, like nanoseconds, but it is 100% real. Which brings us to a wild fact about you, right now, as you're sitting there. Gravity is a tiny bit weaker at your head, so your head is literally aging faster than your feet. So if time isn't fixed, it really makes you wonder, what other invisible forces are shaping our reality?